party people. I'm back with another DIY. This time I'm going to show you how to make an easy floral crown. I've really been obsessed with floral crowns lately. Like not the Coachella like halos, like big extravagant just like floral crowns. And I was looking to buy one. This is always how I DIY things, honestly. I was looking to buy one and I was like, I could just make that. So it's kind of always in the back of my mind to make one. But I was walking into Joann's for another DIY, saw these beautiful flowers. They're fake. And I was like, oh my gosh, these together would be the most beautiful flower crown. And so I bought them on sale. They were 50% off. It was amazing. So a lot of the flower crowns you'll buy that are really big and extravagant are really expensive, like $50 plus. For me, that's kind of a lot for a flower crown. I think altogether this might have cost me $15. So that's amazing. And now you have a flower crown that you made yourself. You can make a bunch of different kinds, play around with it. So I'm gonna show you how to make this. Keep watching to see how. So this is super easy. What we're gonna start off by doing is just pulling the flowers off of their stems. That's the nice part about flake flowers, they come right off. I even want some of the leaves, I think, maybe. So I'm just gonna go and, you know, oh my gosh, it's stuck in my hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna go and just grab some of the leaves off. I don't know if they do this on purpose. They're really easy to take apart. You don't even need scissors. So, yeah. So you're just gonna get a headband. You can find these at Joann's, like $3, right? And I'm making a mess over here. And basically, we're just gonna glue the flowers onto the crown until we make this big old, crazy, beautiful floral crown. I'm going to use E6000 quick hold glue because I really want these flowers to stick on real easy, real quick. I don't want them moving around, so we're using the quick hold glue for this one. And all right, I'm gonna go ahead and arrange this and glue it onto the headband. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little trick. So most flowers, like fake flowers, have this little thing on the end. So it's kind of hard to glue it onto the headband like that. And when you take it off, you still have the stem. So it's still hard to glue it on. But if you flip it around and you stick the stem back in, there you go. Then you have a flat or flatter surface that you can kind of use to glue onto the headband. So it just makes it a lot easier to glue it on because you kind of have a flatter surface. And you can even like pull it down a little bit and have it on like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for all the flowers that I think I'm gonna use before moving on. Now that you have it flipped, you're going to just add some glue to one side and then glue it onto the headband. And then what I'm gonna do is in between, I'm gonna put the other flowers and then I'm gonna stack them up higher. I'm actually gonna get a little surface to put this on. So like if you use something like this, you can, if you have a mannequin head, that can also help when you're making these. You can kind of just rest it on there so that the flowers can rest while they dry. So this is a little similar to floral arrangements in a way. So if you're good at that, you should be good at this. I'm not necessarily good at floral arrangements, but you know, design is design, I guess. So I kind of just designed it how I saw fit. I put it on my head a couple times. I didn't show you guys that part. Just to kind of see what spots needed more, what spots I could work on more. So I recommend like stopping halfway through, put it on your head, try it on, see like where you want to add more flowers or not. And this is the final result. I still need to let it dry. It's not fully dry yet, but I really love how it looks. I love Frida Kahlo. She's really the reason why I love floral crowns so much. Frida Kahlo, I went to art school. I've only gone to art school. I learned about her very young, and she's always been someone that I admired. So yeah, this is the flower crown. Let me move this out the way. Alrighty, that's super easy, guys. So if you want to make a flower crown, or if you want to buy one, you can make it. If you're really crafty, even if you're not, this was pretty easy to make. It's just gluing flowers onto a headband. I'm pretty sure you can handle it. If you try this DIY, make sure you hashtag Miss Anosha DIY so I can see it. I cannot wait to do a photo shoot with this. It's gonna be so cute. I love it so much. I feel like I have opened up Pandora's box because I'm about to just like make mad flower crowns, guys. I don't know. I love it so much. If you love it too, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.